Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study chapter 4 quadratic equations, exercise 4.2, question 2. Solve the problems given in example 1. So please take your textbook and check what is example 1. So example 1 is this: represent the following situations mathematically. The situation is given to you, so it has to be represented mathematically. So already this is solved here, and then what is asked of us is the equation that we get, that equation we have to solve in this video. Okay, so here also second situation also is there and it is solved, and the equation is given already. So that is the equation here I have written down. So this is what we have to solve and find the roots. So it is quadratic equation. So the quadratic means highest degree is 2. That means 2 solutions we will get it. So whenever it is quadratic equation, we have to do splitting the middle term method. Okay. So that we had been doing it. So that's what we are going to do. So let's do the first sum. So first is x square minus 45x plus 324 equal to 0. So how to split the middle term? I have explained to you. First term and the last term you have to multiply only the first term coefficient. So here 1 and then last term is 324. So you get 324. Now we have to find the factors for this. So you do the factorization. To 1 times 1 carried forth, then you have 6 times 12, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 8 times 2 16, then 1 times 2, then this will be divisible by 3, so 27, then 3 9 times 27, then 3 3s are 9. Okay, so now these are the factors. Now what we will do, find out any two numbers using these factors, so that by adding you should get 45 and by multiplying you should get the last term. Okay, so this you have how many times? 2 times 2 you have 2 times 2, 1 2 3 4 times 3 you have. So let's pair up and get any two numbers, so that by adding that two number we should get 45, and adding or subtracting. Okay, it can be adding or it can be subtracting, we should get the middle term, and by multiplying we should get the last term. Okay, so let's see which are the numbers we can add. Now this, let us see, this 3 will take, this 3 we will take. So we'll get 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, then we'll take this number, 3 3s are 9, 27. Okay, now by adding, are we getting 45? No. By subtracting also we will not get it, so this we will not take. So this pair is not okay. So then we'll take maybe this one more, we'll add here. So then 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 27. Okay, see, 27, or 3 3s are 1 2 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. Okay, 36. Then 3 3s are 9. So now let's see, 30, 39, 40, 45. By adding we will get 45, and then by subtracting are we getting 324? Oh, sorry, by multiplying are we get 324? So you have to check it. Okay, okay, so by multiplying we are getting last number, by adding we are getting 45. So let's take only this pair. So that's how you have to find out any two number. By adding or subtracting we should get the middle term, and by multiplying we should get the last term. So that's the way you have to check it. Okay, so now you can write down this x square minus x is here. Instead of 45, the pair we found, that we will write down 36 plus 9, then plus 324. So now let's solve this. X square minus x into 36 will be 36x, minus into plus will be minus 9x plus 3 to 4. Now what we have to do, we have to take it common now. So what is in common, that we have to bring it out. So from this pair and then from this pair. So from here, how you can, those of you don't know, for you I am just explaining. Here x square is there, x square can be written x into x, minus 36x is there. So 36, how can we split? Even if you split, but this side we have only x, we want to bring it out something, so 36 we keep it as it is only. Okay, now both the side, what is common, that we have to bring it out. So x is here, here also we have x, so that we will bring it common. So x we will write down. Now what is left, we'll write down inside the bracket. Okay, the first thing is solved. Now here, what is in bracket, that only we'll write down. That's the easiest way. Now we'll write down number which will balance this equation. So here 9x is there, here we have x, so minus is here, so minus 9. So minus 9 into x will give us 9x. Now 9 and 36 you multiply and see whether you are getting here 324 or no. You see already we have done it. 36 when we multiply with the 9 we are getting 324. That means 9 into 36 gives us 324. So this is correct. Okay. So now what is in bracket, that is common, so we'll write down only once. Now what is outside, that we'll write down in another bracket. Okay, so now when x minus 36 equal to 0, and this side this we will write x minus 9 equal to 0, because we have to find out the x value. So x minus 36 comes this side, becomes plus 36. This is one root. Here x minus 9 comes this side, becomes plus 9. Hence, these are the two roots of this given equation. So now let us solve the second equation. So the second equation I have written down. So same way we have to do it. The first term and the last term, let's multiply here. Doing the first term and the last term is 750. So you will get 750. So let us factorize now. So this is 750. So let us start from the smallest number with 2. So 1, 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So 3, 1 carried forth, 7 2s are 10. 7 2s are 14, 1 carried forth, 10, then 5 2s are 10. Okay, this can be divisible by 3. So with 3, 1 times 3, 2 times 6, 1 carried forth, 5 times 15. Then this can be divided by 5. So 2 5s are 10, 2 carried forth, then again 5 5s are 25. Then 5 5s are 25. Okay, so these are the factors we have, that is 2 into 3 into 1, 2, 3 times 5. So now from here we have to find out the any two numbers by which adding or subtracting we should get the middle term, and by multiplying we should get the last term, that you have to check it. So which two shall we take? So let's take first this 3 and this 2 combination. So 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, and here 5 5s are 25. Let's see, by adding are we getting 55, 30, 40, 50, 55? Yes, by adding we have got the 55. Now by multiplying are we getting it 750? That we have to check it. So 30 into 25, so 5 0, 15, then 0, 3 2s are 6 0 5, 750. Okay, so by multiplying also we have got it. So that means this is the correct pair. Okay, so let's take this in this place. Now let's write down x square minus x will write down, and instead of 55 we'll take this pair, that is 30 plus 25, then plus 750 equal to 0. So x square minus x into 30 will be 30x, minus into plus will be minus 25x plus 750 equal to 0. So now what we have to do, we have to take out the common things from here, from this and then from here. So this can be written as x into x minus 30 into x. Now what is common here? We have x common here, here also x is there. So we will take x as a common here. Then what is left, we'll write inside the bracket. So minus 30. Okay. So now same way we have to do here also. So for that, easy method is what is here in bracket you got, same thing you write down, because mostly it comes like this only. So now which number we will write so that we get this number? So here 25 is there, here only x is there. So let's write down 25, and here minus is there. So minus 25 into x will give us 25x. Now 25 into 30 gives us 750, because yes, we have multiplied, and so 25 and 30 when we multiply we got 750. So this is correct. Then minus into minus will become plus. So we are in a right track. So now what is in bracket? Common will write down as it is. And here what is left is x, and here 25 is left. So these are common. So one time we write, and remaining one will write in another bracket. So now let's solve this. So when x minus 30 is equal to 0, and here x minus 25 equal to 0. So that means x equal to 30 comes this side, becomes plus. And here x equal to minus 25 comes this side, becomes plus 25. So these are the roots of this equation. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you. And